Team clutch? A little clutch? I'm not gonna win. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you guys. This is does not exist anywhere else. I promise. It really shouldn't. It's cost-effective and resourceful design. Actually, I kind of speak to this because our board did not work. So we had to kind of jimmy rig it because if you just plug it in, it'll spin in a circle. So we had to get it so when you plugged it in, it'd go not in a circle. So we had to use a breadboard and some pretty serious circuitry design to get it to not move in a circle. Yeah, our competitors all like precision. As you can see, I don't even know where they're going. Ours, we know it's. Yeah, we collaborated with some top staff at some very nice companies, including Smart Card. So this is the best. This is about as good as it's going to be. Oh yeah, so also another testament to the resourcefulness of our design is that since our board didn't work, we couldn't program the sensors. So we just scrapped those, and we also scrapped the batteries. So we had to reroute the power, which involved including this portable charger donated by.
Oh, my 15%.
And so basically, this is gonna be a lighter design. So this is getting top speed.
Oh.
Top speed. Let's show it.
Also, did you guys know that you used the breadboard? I didn't see the breadboard.
Yes. We used the breadboard. No other team used the breadboard. It's complex.
It's just so complex that it just, you guys can do it.
Oh.
Keep in mind though, also it goes top speed in sense of a turtle because this is
the turtle, so it's the fastest turtle.
Wow. What kind of bread is in the breadboard?
Turn it on.
It shouldn't be smoke.
9 grade.
Can we see how
We're ready to see it.
It's on the floor first, because it's the top speed really quick.
Alright, so you have to keep a good lookout because if you don't, you might miss it.
We'll put the camera on slow-mo, just to make sure.
That's when you're eating. It should keep going.
It got tired.
Moving inside.
It feels it's having a bit of trouble with the car pump.
Yeah, it's in the.
Yeah.
We need to screen it.
Put it on the sling.
Yeah, put it on the table.
Yeah, we can put it on the table.
It is moving.
There you go.
Blue clutch coming in the clutch.
Already, you better watch it out.
Does it also fly?
No. Sometimes.
It's
It
smooth.
has pressure.
We're still
You
working on it.
know, because of the wind currents and the. It's slowing down.
Yeah.
So, are the wings gonna pop out?
Hey, let's give a round of applause.
Hey,